I'm Peter Harmon, the food guru, and today I'm going to teach you how to make fresh flour tortillas. We start by sifting 2 cups of flour, baking powder, and a little salt and sugar into a bowl. We sift it because we don't want lumpy tortillas. We're going to add 4 tablespoons of vegetable shortening and cut it in using a fork or this device, which is an old-time dough cutter. I use twice the amount of vegetable shortening that traditional tortillas call for because I find them easier to roll, they rise a little, makes them much more pliant, and most of all, it tastes great. I like to add fresh cilantro to my tortilla batter. Makes it taste great and also look really cool. We're going to add water slowly and mix with our hands to incorporate. We remove the dough from the bowl, place it on the counter, and knead it for 3 to 5 minutes. If it's a little sticky, just sprinkle it with some flour. You can do this in a food processor, but I find it much more therapeutic to do it by hand. Now we cover the dough with plastic wrap and let it rest. After 30 minutes, we unwrap the dough. Now it's much more pliable and easy to roll. Cut the dough into 6 equal pieces. Roll the dough out as thin as possible, kind of like a tortilla. We want to go for round, but a rustic shape is also cool. After you push it one way, turn it sideways and roll it again. Heat your griddle until it makes water hiss and dance like this. Drop the tortilla on the griddle and cook for about 30 seconds. See these little bubbles? These are good. Now flip. Perfect. Remove from the grill and stack on a plate. Wrap them with plastic wrap until you're ready to use them. These fresh homemade flour tortillas are perfect. Use them for fajitas, burritos, or even quesadillas. I'm Peter Harmon, the food guru.